key agendas.
Power Minister Prestone Thinsong said Meghalaya government is planning to set up solar parks in all districts of the state. This will be done to meet the power demand of the state. The state government has floated a notice inviting tenders from prospective investors in this regard. The technical committee is on the job of screening the documents. Once the screening is done, the government will sign the MOU with the concerned investor.
We invited investors who wanted to set up a solar park in the state, and now we are in the process of screening all the documents. Once that is done, then we will sign. We will go for the MOU with the concerned investors. But as of now, the screening technical committee is on the job. So once that is done, then MOU can be signed.